this is my 5th layer of clothes. As dumb as it looks, it's gonna work. It's like 12:44 at night right now. So you guys might be wondering, where am I traveling to? Where am I going? I'm going back to Ireland. I've loved London and I really still do love it, but I think there's a lot of things that I need to do back in Ireland, and I feel like there's a lot of things I still need to complete here. I'm gonna go back and just start some projects, but I'm gonna make my way to the airport. It's gonna be really late. I think the airport opens at like 4 a.m. in the morning. I'm gonna go early so I can kind of like chill for a little bit. It's gonna be a fun couple of months, I think. I don't know. I can't guarantee nothing, guys. I'm gonna order a taxi and hopefully we'll just have a safe sailing journey over along the way. All my London people, I'm gonna miss you. Don't worry, I'll be back. It's not forever. I still love my space. I'll be back, but for now, I'm migrating back. It is currently 5:53 right now. And the flight that was originally supposed to take got delayed severely. Well, the first one got cancelled and now the next one that's rescheduled got delayed. And I've been waiting at this freaking airport for literally hours, like literally hours. I'm actually just so tired. Essentially with all these bags that I had to check in and the luggage that I have to bring as well. I just wanna get home. I just wanna get home. I'm so tired. Like, I've never had a trip that's this stressful before. Like, just go back to Ireland. I've never had a trip that's this stressful. My sister's on the phone. I'm gonna try to update guys as much as I can. At the same time, I'm thinking about it from like, maybe it was for a reason. Maybe I'm not supposed to go back at that time. I don't know. But this has never happened before to me, ever on a flight or on a trip back. But we'll continue to just do a couple more things. I'll probably get some work done, some videos edited while I wait, and that way I can actually just kind of pass time, because I have like maybe 2 hours to wait, 2 more hours, because they said that we're gonna fly at like around 7. So hopefully in those 2 hours I can get a lot done. And yeah. Finally made it to Shannon. It's been a long day. Like, the airport is empty and I have all the stuff. My dad is gonna be outside, so I just need to pack all the stuff and bring it to the car, because it's been a really long day. So we're gonna do that now.
Okay. Charger pẹ̀lẹ́ kwa ba jali ji kwa.
Do not mind my face, do not mind anything that's going on here. I know I look absolutely wrecked. This day has taken a lot out of me. I just need some sleep. We arrived maybe just after 1, I think. It wasn't a long journey all the way back. I've just been up because I had some journaling to do, and just basically unpacking and stuff like that. But overall, it has been a long day. I did some of my Bible reflecting and stuff like that today, which kind of, it just puts it more in perspective for me. But honestly, it's completely the start of something new. I don't know what's gonna be in store at all. I feel like it's a moment of really starting from the ground up. I'm not sure why it had to be that way, but again, it might be for something outside of myself. As much as I want to stay talking and stay blabbering about whatever is going on in my life right now, I'm so tired. And hopefully I'll have more to share with you guys while I'm here. But I thought I'll make this video and just we'll start it from here. If you guys want to see more videos like this, or if you want to see more of the time I spend in Ireland, let me know. But I hope you guys have a good day, stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Good night. Good night, guys.